Assalamualaikum and hello YouTube, my name is Nur Muhammad from IFPNYHK and we are back with another initial review of another new brand on AliExpress. So this time around this is from the brand called Welly Merck. No idea what that is supposed to mean. I have no idea whether it's a man's name or what, but yeah, still when they contacted me and asked me, hey Nur, would you like to review our new watch? And yeah, I said yes and they sent it to me a few weeks later. So what is in the box? Let's cue the intro. Alright guys, so this is my review or an initial review of a brand new brand called Welly Merck on AliExpress. Okay, so let's just quickly see what is inside this particular box. Of course, this is just a full unboxing because I've already worn it, used it for quite a while, and we do get a Welly Merck.c, and this is inside here is a bracelet adjuster. So we have some nice. It's quite nice. Okay, so it was easy to use. It is enough for this particular piece. So I've took out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 links from this particular piece. Of course, split pins, nothing to shout there, for the cost of about 99 bucks. Yeah, it is okay, not that bad. So they even show you how to remove the bracelet as well. User manual. So maybe some generic thingy, adjustment of 4-hand mechanical watch, 3-hand mechanical watch. Yep, basically a generic style of manual instruction here. So but yeah, still let's take a look at the watch. Of course, it came in this cardboard box and some sort of a travel pouch box, which is unbranded, which is okay in my opinion because this thing looks sturdy. I'm just not sure whether it is water resistance or not. I don't think so. So yeah, this is the watch that is sent to me by Welly Merck official on AliExpress. Thank you very much for the sponsored content, guys. Of course, I will leave a link to this particular watch and their store on AliExpress. So the model number of this particular piece is the 057M. Basically, it is a a world time dial watch. So yeah, that it says so. Welly Merck world timer automatic. So I've never had any similar watches like this before, so it is quite confusing for me whenever I wanted to use this particular bezel because I just don't know how to use it, guys. So I know that when I first saw this particular piece, I know that for example, London is GMT 0, so that's good. Malaysia is similar. I live in Malaysia. Malaysia is similar time zone as Beijing, so we are at +8. And then we have this upper rotating bezel. So basically this crown controls the rotating bezel. So I don't know how actually I'm going to use this thing, because when I move this what do you call this slider, right, or this bezel thingy. So yeah, if I put there, and then what am I supposed to learn from this? Yeah, anyway, please do let me know how to use this particular bezel, guys, because I honestly don't understand how does it help me. But other than showing Paris is +1, Cairo is +2, or Moscow is +3. That's about it for me, at least, right? So anyways, they say that the movement used is the Japan Miyota 8215. So this is the second crown, which is supposed to adjust the movement. Sorry, you can hand wind it, of course. And does it hack? Yep, it hacks. So that's good. This is basically the new version, or the updated version of the Miyota 8215. So that's good. Gone are the non-hacking 8215 movement of the past. So yeah, they have choose to use the upgraded version. So let's just do the 1010 thingy, boom, and of course on the first position, you can always adjust the date. So today is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5th of 6th of July. Oop. So that's good. So yeah, we have this bit generic our minute hands and hour hands, and we have this second hands with this red tip, so that's good. And the indices are a bit blended into the dial, and we have this world map that has awesome lume. That's that's good. That's really good. Right, so the crown is okay, it's polished, and we have that Welly Merck logo on the crown at the 4 o'clock there. So the case finishing is brushed on the side. We have this small polish finishing on this beveling as well, brush finishing on the top, and we have this multiple finishes on the bracelet, so that's good. And this we have this polish finishing on the bezel itself. So we also can see the Miyota 8215 movement from the back. So yeah, and water resistance is 1080 m or 100 meters of water resistance allegedly, but yeah, we'll never know, right? Okay, so let's just check this particular watch dimension. So let's just zoom out a bit. Oops, a bit too far. Okay, come on caliper, please work with me. I think this is 42 mil in diameter, 41, that's good. Late thickness of 12.3, so that is okay, not that bad. The lug to lug of this particular piece is 49, so that is a bit long. But if you consider this end of this first link, the lug to lug is going to be a whole lot bigger than 49, right? So that is a bit annoying if you guys have small wrist and mine. So 53.3, so that is not that good. Anyways, let's just check it. I've just, like I mentioned just now, I removed 5 links from this particular bracelet, so it is using a butterfly clasp, by the way, which is a bit annoying because I have to wear it a bit loose, and there's no half links to get you the perfect weight. Focus. Okay, 139 grams. That's okay, not that bad. It is still under the my preference, which is 150 grams. So let's just check the sapphire crystal, where it is available now on this particular piece. So sapphire crystal at the front, come on, focus, and sapphire crystal at the hold on, check it again. No, I don't think that is sapphire crystal. So yeah, it is okay, not that bad, right? So because you don't really need sapphire crystal at the back. So let's just put it on the wrist, but before we do that, let's do a quick wristwatch check. Oh, I completely forgot the lug width. How much is it? Lug width is supposed to be 20 mil, so that's good. So meaning I can take off this bracelet, which I don't like because it has this butterfly clasp, and put it on something else. So yeah, and if it does feel a bit top heavy, this one. Right, quick wristwatch check. Today I'm wearing my watch dives WD1, was it 16570? I just can't remember if this is an Explorer 2 homage, so that is good. And yeah, this one I've complained about how small the hand really is, but yeah, still you can't get everything, right? So this is how the Welly Merck look on my 6.75 or 17 centimeters wrist circumference. To take note that yeah, I do wear it a bit loose because it doesn't have any micro adjustments whatsoever. So this is how it looks from the far. So okay, not that bad. Just sometimes the indices does blends into the watch dial, and sometimes it's difficult to know what time is it. Right, really. So let's just quickly check the lume before we finish this video, right? So both of these two watches is not a super powerful lume monster, so I don't really put any high hopes in either of these two, but yeah, for the sake of checking out the lume, let's check it out. 3, 2, 1, boom. And you can see already, so yeah, BGW9 super luminova on the watch dives, and a combination of BGW9 and C3 super luminova on this Welly Merck. Of course, it is not going to stay all night long, but you know what, having almost an entire dial in lume is something yeah, you can I think you can brag about in this if you guys like Lume such as I do. So yep, it looks cool. Yep. Okay, so what do you guys think about this particular Welly Merck? Oh my god, the model name, Welly Merck 057M. Other than this particular, this slider thingy, it is okay, not that bad, right? It's just that I just don't know how to use this. Maybe that's just my lack of knowledge, but if you guys do know on how to use this particular slider thingy, so yeah, please do let me know in the comment section below. So if you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you want to see more feature video reviews such as this one, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Stay safe and bye bye.